Configuring Stripe as your payment processor in PetSitter Plus enables clients to make secure online payments with a credit or debit card. And for US clients only, a bank account. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log in to your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Navigate to the Connect tab on the main menu and choose Payment Processor, then Stripe. Click Connect with Stripe. A new window will open where you can either connect your existing Stripe account, which Stripe will recognize from your email address you log into PetSitter Plus with, or it will ask you to enter your email address and create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once completed, you'll be redirected back to your Stripe settings page. And as easy as that, Stripe is now successfully integrated with your PetSitter Plus account. We recommend you set Stripe as your default payment processor, so all clients have the option to save their card information on their portal for making payments in future. There are a few options for you to choose from to further customize your Stripe payment processor. When Require Automatic Charges Allowed is switched on, your clients will have to agree that automatic payments can be taken from their payment card. When switched off, they have the option to agree to automatic charges, or they can uncheck it to prevent you from taking money off their card. For US clients only, you have the option to switch on Use ACH with Plaid. Instead of entering a credit or debit card, your client can link their bank account in the portal. In doing so, they authorize you to take payments directly from their account. The first step is to accept Stripe's terms and conditions by clicking the link provided. You will need to log into your stripe.com dashboard, navigate to the option for ACH Terms of Service, and click Enable ACH. Once you have done this, your clients will be able to add their bank account. Prefer ACH can be switched on to use bank accounts in preference to credit or debit cards. Clients can also add a credit card, but they must click View Other Payment Options on the Payment Methods page in their portal. To begin only accepting ACH or to transition from credit cards to ACH only, you need to toggle on the option. Do not allow new cards. Don't forget to click Update to save all your settings. Now when you generate an invoice, clients will see the option to pay via Stripe by clicking the Pay Now button. If they have not already saved their payment card onto the portal, they can enter their card details and their payment will be processed directly through Stripe. A payment confirmation will then be sent to the client directly from Stripe and their invoice marked as paid automatically. And that's it! You've successfully configured Stripe in PetSitter Plus, allowing your clients to make online payments quickly and securely. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.